He's hunting down storms. He's Panama City's resident storm chaser. Joseph Mandeville takes some of the most stunning pictures you may ever see.
Our local storm chaser, Joseph Mandeville.
And if his name looks familiar, Mandeville is no stranger to TV news viewers.
Our friend Joseph Mandeville.
Friend of the program, Joseph Mandeville. Thanks to Joseph Mandeville once again.
Joseph Mandeville.
Weather spotter, weather observer, weather photographer, Joseph Mandeville.
And from Joseph Mandeville, a great photo.
Shot here from Joseph Mandeville, looking out over the bay, beautiful.
Joseph Mandeville.
Joseph Mandeville capturing a nice little positive strike thanks to Joseph Mandeville.
Joseph Mandeville.
Joseph Mandeville, who's out offshore, scored the shot here.
Also Joseph Mandeville. Beautiful shot over Penn Forest Lawn.
Friend of the program, Joseph Mandeville, who takes some spectacular lightning images.
Storm chaser and weather spotter, Joseph Mandeville.
Joseph Mandeville of the Squall Line.
Joseph Mandeville, who was out chasing the storms down in Mexico Beach.
Hey, big shout out to Joseph Mandeville.
These were something from Joseph Mandeville. This is a microburst. Gathering another shot here by Joseph Mandeville. Look at this shot also from Joseph Mandeville, the storm.
Joseph Mandeville capturing some good ones too.
Joseph Mandeville over into Panama City.
Friend of the program, Joseph Mandeville, from the Panama City Marina.
Hi there, Joseph Mandeville. Thanks for sending in that picture.
Check out this shot from Joseph Mandeville. Early this morning, thanks to Joseph Mandeville over the St Andrews Marina.
Oh, this shot right here, Joseph in Panama City, set up there at the Hathaway Bridge. You got the lightning strike, as well as the sunset and the distant thunderstorm. Just for the win, Joseph tonight, a job well done.
Veteran storm tracker Joseph Mandeville went to check out the scene.
Dang, look at that. It's like shaking the truck. GoPro on top, catching all the action. Dang. Look at these winds blowing across the parking lot over here. Turn around, look at this. Wow. I mean, that wind is just flying by. That is definitely winds of 55, even more than that. Tones are standing pretty good, aren't they? Must be stuck there or something. Wow. Look at this car. You can barely even see him. Oh my God, look at it now. Why is that Tim? Yeah, that's Tim. I guess he came back. Let's get out. Oh. Don't pull up next to me, I'm shooting video. Wind's kind of died down a little bit now, you notice that? Whoa! Got that on film. Got that on tape. Oh, hail. That was hail, wasn't it? Yep, hail's coming down now. Here comes the hail. Soaked. Wow. Oh man. Winds change directions. A little bit of hail, but I don't see no more hail now. Nope, there's more hail. Wind ain't blowing like it was before though. Wow, that was pretty crazy, wasn't it? This way I get hit with too much rain. Wish we had some shelter. The hill's not very big. Now here's the lightning part. We got waves of rain going by now. Whoa. Oh, look how calm it is now. The calm after the storm. Isn't that nuts? You might catch some bolts in the back end. That's what I'm hoping for. Look, we're starting to see the city, the port. We're starting to see the city over there. Wow, it's all but not stopped raining almost, you know? Wow. Dang. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. These animal crawlers are amazing. Just one of these hitting the ground is going to pump in some. Oh, wait. Oh, there's one! With the seagulls in it. Safe with us. Yeah. Of what? Oh man, I was walking away and what happened?